welcome to our week 1 development vlog for OOP. In this video, we will introduce our team members, present our proposed system overview, and show our planning and brainstorming activities. For today's video, i-share namin yung naging ganap during our Google Meet brainstorming for our proposed system. So, nung una, medyo tahimik pa yung meeting kasi syempre, nag-iisip pa kami kung anong magandang system yung pwedeng gawin. Tapos maya-maya, nagalabas na yung suggestions ng bawat isa hanggang sa napunta kami sa idea na gumawa ng hotel reservation and booking system. Honestly, okay siya kasi practical talaga siya gawin and relatable din since marami pang hotels yung manual yung process nila sa pagbubook. Like imagine, sulat-sulat lang minsan or mano-manong encode ng reservations. So possible talaga na magkaroon ng errors, mawala yung records or kaya mag-overlap yung bookings. So ayun, doon namin naisip na what if gumawa kami ng computerized system na mas mabilis, mas organized, and mas convenient gamitin both for the staff and customers. Habang tumatagal yung usapan namin, mas dumadami rin yung ideas na nalalabas. May mga nagbibigay ng suggestions tungkol sa features, meron din nag-isip kung paano maging flow ng system. Then, napag-usapan namin yung main problem ng hotels which is yung manual booking process nga. Kasi kapag mano-mano, matagal siyang gawin and minsan hindi maiwasan yung mistakes, especially kapag madaming customers. Kaya yung main solution na naisip namin is gumawa ng system na automatic na nagmamanage ng reservations. Mas mapapadala yung pag-save ng customers' information, booking schedules, at room details. Hindi na rin hassle maghanap ng records kasi searchable na siya sa system. After nun, napunta naman kami sa target users ng system namin. So, syempre, una, yung hotel staff. Kasi sila talaga yung mostly gagamit ng system para mag-manage ng reservations and records. Second naman, yung receptionist. Since sila yung maharap sa customers and sila rin yung usually nag-a-assist sa bookings. And of course, yung customers. Kasi mas magiging mabilis and smooth yung reservation process nila kapag organize yung system. Tapos, after namin pag-usapan yung target users, sunod naman namin pinag-usapan yung mga features na gusto namin ilagay sa system. So first, feature is add booking. Basically, dito pwede maglagay ng bagong reservations details kapag may customer na magbubook ng room. Next naman is view booking, kung saan makikita lahat ng reservation records na nakasave sa system. Then, meron ding edit booking. Kasi syempre, minsan may mga changes sa reservation like dates or room type, so kailangan editable siya. Meron ding delete booking, para naman sa canceled reservations or wrong records. Isa rin sa important features na naisip namin is search booking, kasi sobrang helpful nito kapag maghahanap ng customers' information. Hindi mo na kailangang isa-isahin lahat ng records manually. And lastly, meron ding exit system para maayos na ma-close yung application after gamitin. Habang ongoing yung meeting namin, medyo funny rin siya kasi may moments na sabay-sabay kaming nagsasalita, minsan may biglang nawawala sa call, tapos minsan may tahimik kasi nag-iisip talaga ng ideas. Ha 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 ha! Pero kahit ganun, nag-i-smooth naman yung brainstorming namin kasi lahat nag-participate and nagbibigay talaga ng ideas and suggestions. Then after namin mapag-usapan lahat, nag-assign na rin kami ng volunteer roles based sa strengths ng bawat isa. So for the designer role, si Abby Marie yung assign kasi bagay talaga sa kanya yung pagde-design and pagiging creative. For the researcher role naman, si Jay Miller yung assign para maghanap ng references and additional informations na makakatulong sa aming system. Si Jay Bryan naman yung assistant coder na tutulong sa coding and pag-organize ng program. Then si Raven naman yung main coder since siya yung may strong knowledge pagdating sa programming. And lastly, Si Voltaire naman, yung tester na mag-check if maayos bang gumagana yung system and kung may possible bugs or errors. So, ako naman na leader ng group namin, aside sa pag-manage ng meeting, responsibility ko rin na i-check yung overall progress ng system namin. Ako rin yung nag-organize ng flow ng project para sure na maayos at connected yung kinagawa ng bawat member. Since gusto namin na maging smooth yung development ng system, chine-check ko rin isa-isa yung tasks and updates ng bawat member para malaman if may kailangan pang ayusin or tulungan. Bukod doon, ako rin yung mag-edit ng mga files, documents, and other outputs namin like vlog para mas maging organized and presentable yung project. Ako rin yung magko-coordinate sa group kapag may announcements, reminders, or revisions na kailangan gawin. And syempre, part din ng role ko yung pag-assist sa members kapag may kailangan silang clarification or help regarding sa task nila. Kahit online lang yung setup namin, gusto ko pa rin na maging maayos yung communication and teamwork namin lahat. So ayun, medyo challenging man minsan maging leader, pero masaya rin kasi nakikita ko na nagtutulungan talaga yung buong group para maging successful yung hotel, reservation, and booking system namin. Overall, productive talaga yung naging Google Meet brainstorming session namin kahit online lang siya. Kahit papaano, naging organized na yung ideas namin and mas naging clear kung paano namin sisimulan yung project. So, ayun lang for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching and see you sa next update ng aming project. Bye!